Hi y'all. Today we are at Skyline Chili.
For the first time since I was 4.
This is my first time here ever.
I don't remember it, so.
We have French fries. We have 2 regular hot dogs because we just wanted to try the hot dog part.
I don't know if the chili's gonna smack, so we're gonna.
Yeah, we don't know how we're gonna like the chili. I got a chili with no cheese.
Basic.
And Kyle got the chili dog with cheese.
Oh, there's mustard on that?
No, there's no mustard.
Good. I don't like mustard.
Here. You gonna hold that? Ah. Why are you hiding?
Eyes to the people, see it? You can decide if that's good or not.
Let's try it.
I'm gonna try the fries first.
The fries are good. I tried a couple. I want to try the plain hot dog first.
Not bad.
It's a basic hot dog.
Yeah. Kind of small. Inflation.
It almost reminds me of like turkey or chicken more than beef, you know?
It's really light on the inside.
That's what I'm saying. It's like turkey or chicken maybe. It's okay. It's decent. It reminds me of like a church picnic hot dog.
I mean, if a church picnic hot dog gave you half the hot dog.
Mm-hmm.
It's alright.
Kyle wanted drinks from Swig today.
That was her idea. She said, I want that jumbo cherry Coke.
Okay. I need the air. You know I need ketchup. Chill on the French fries. I want some too.
You don't need none.
I deserve French fries. He will literally sit there and eat French fries like nobody's business.
I forgot where that was my problem.
We both fight over French fries.
Yeah. It's a good thing to have. Well, actually, it's not. What am I talking about?
I feel like you remember those days at Kaylin's whenever we would go. And I'd be trying to be healthy and I'd be like, I'm not going to eat any French fries. And then I end up eating all yours.
So annoying because Caitlin they give you like 12 fries. And she's like, I want to be healthy. I don't want no fries. Gets my food. She takes 4 of them. And I'm left with like 7 fries.
Mm-hmm. They don't really give you a lot.
No. All right. So here we go on the chili dog. You ready?
You want to cheers?
I don't want your chili dog touching my chili dog.
Whoa, this is soggy as heck.
Yeah, it's a little soft. It's a little smaller, I guess.
I have one question for you. Why does it taste like cinnamon?
Why is it sweet?
It tastes like a cinnamon roll.
Now the ice cream makes sense. It brought back memories because of the ice cream.
It was very cinnamony.
Yes, the worst part of that ice cream was the ice cream itself that had the cinnamon flavor. That flavor. That was the worst part. The cracker made it actually good.
Yeah. You know what? You're right, because this flavor is very sweet.
I'm going to give it one more bite.
I'm going to do one more bite, too. Let's do it together. Okay, never mind.
Sorry.
Let's do it together.
Oh, go. It's in my mouth. Hurry up.
No, eat.
I can't do it.
I really want to like it.
Oh.
Are we being dramatic?
No, why is that so bad? Is this just a bad day? That's actually terrible.
Okay. Is it just me, or does that not taste like chili at all?
It doesn't. No, we're very real. We like our food reviews. We usually like the food we eat.
I'm very honest.
Yeah.
I've never tasted a chili like this.
It's not chili.
There's been times where I have, like, had chili that has cinnamon in it. I've even put a little cinnamon in my own chili. I've also, like, heard of people doing peanut butter. I haven't personally tried peanut butter, but I've heard of people doing peanut butter. And it was never this sweet.
No.
That is like...
That's not chili. That's ground up red bubble gum. Big red bubble gum.
a big old soggy cinnamon roll.
It's alright. I'm gonna go to El Napole tonight
Are you really?
while you eat cheese crackers.
While I'm eating cheese crackers.
No, I'm just kidding. She can't even eat cheese crackers. That wasn't even funny. It was stupid. It was stupid. That wasn't even funny. Stupid, stupid, stupid.
What do you mean by that, though?
These are like Sonic fries.
Yeah, they do remind me of those.
Yeah.
They're not bad.
I never thought I would say Sonic has a better hot dog than any other place.
Yeah, Sonic is... They have really good conies.
Is there a Sonic around here?
There's one... You remember the one on Preston? Down Preston?
Well, yeah, it's not around here.
No, not around here. You can have them.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I still taste it.
I feel like the fries are a little bit sweet, though.
Not like the hot dog.
Not like the hot dog, but those are still a little sweet, too.
Sure you don't want them? Mm-mm. So what do you give the hot dog, the plain hot dog by itself?
Oh, the plain hot dog? I'm going to give it a 3.5 out of 10.
The plain hot dog?
Because it was like,
Yeah.
okay. I've had better hot dogs.
I don't know what that is.
Theater hot dogs,
Yeah.
the jumbo beef.
Listen, we go on Tuesdays to save money, right? And she buys like 2 hot dogs and spends $20 on the hot dogs alone.
And I have no shame.
But plain hot dog, so you said what, 3?
3.5. I would give it about a
I
3.5.
give the plain hot dog a 4.
4.
Very.
It's basic.
Very basic. Actually, hot
And
dogs.
it's small.
Hot dogs out of the refrigerator, I'll have more flavor than that.
Yeah, because like how much hot dog can you get at Sonic for the price? I forget Sonic's prices.
I went a few months ago and a foot long was like $5.
Oh, that's not bad. For
Yeah, it
this
wasn't
for this
bad.
being so small and it being what, $3?
It was almost $4. It was like $3.80.
Yeah.
I give
What am I gonna do with this?
where's the bag at?
Not over here.
Rude. She loves me sometimes. I give the fries a 6 out of 10. They're decent. They're the best thing I've had today.
Can you hear me that?
Yeah. What do you give the fries?
The fries, I'm gonna give a good 6.
It's the same as me.
I like fries, yeah,
So
and they're not bad.
Yeah, they're basic.
They're basic.
Now here's what you all have been waiting for. What do you give the chili dog?
Probably a 1.
I gave it a 0.5.
Skyline Chili, I'm so sorry. We really wanted to like it. I promise you, we wanted to come here and like it.
Not that bad though.
Yeah, I was just curious because I've never been here, so.
Yeah. The only reason I gave it, didn't give it a 0 is because I was actually able to swallow it. If I almost didn't, so you almost got a 0, and I wouldn't even known. I wouldn't be able to hold down food.
Oh my god. I can't.
I hate wasting money. I usually, if I get something I don't like, I'll still eat it.
Yeah.
No.
I can't eat the rest of that. We tried. How many bites did we take?
3 too many.
3 too many.
What to give it at that point. But yeah, 0.5.
I think it's just because we're newbies and it's probably an acquired taste. Because I like stuff that you probably would never even like, but if you ate on it enough, you probably would.
Yeah.
Like avocado toast.
Okay, yeah, let me go make a pizza place and put cinnamon toast crunch on top of the pizza.
Hey, that actually, they have those cinnamon pizzas at Mr. Gaddy's.
That's a dessert pizza. I'm talking about one with cheese and tomato sauce.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's an acquired taste. That would be delicious. Yeah. Well, we tried.
Luckily, there's a Cane's right over there.
We're not going to eat cane.
I'm getting something else.
You are not getting cane.
That's all we have for you today. I'm going to try to keep what I just ate down.
Well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. She likes it when you comment.
Can you just act normal?
No, you go.
No. Just say, how do you talk on Night Watchers?
I don't.
This is similar to Night Watchers. It's just food watchers, big back watchers.
You say like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna say the first part, and then you pick up.
What do you mean?
You say like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all later. Bye.
No, you say like, I say comment, you say subscribe.
You say bye.
I say bye.
Okay. All right. So that was a video today. I'm gonna try to keep what I ate down. That's the next challenge. But if you like this,
stop. Just be normal.
Nothing about
Can
what
you
I
just
just
be
did was
normal?
normal. There's nothing about that was normal.
Can you just say goodbye?
All right. So thank you all for watching. Like,
comment,
subscribe.
goodbye.